Good morning, traders. Today I'm going to try not to lose money. Summer trading is more about protecting your account rather than making a fortune, in my opinion, this summer at least. But today we have a dead cat bounce like I've never seen before. NEWA reached new highs up to $30, and then look at this huge sell-off, guys. Huge sell-off down to $8.61, and now a lot of people are looking to get this at a bargain price, buy it off a dead cat bounce. The company released some news over here in the corner saying that they had no idea why their stock was having so much volatility. It is not aware of the reasons for the recent volatility. That's what they're saying Tuesday. Okay, so you guys, I'm not seeing any news at all that would have caused such a huge crash. I mean, on the daily chart, I do see, okay, when we get overextended and reach new highs, there's a huge sell-off. I have seen that in the past. So maybe that's it. Maybe it came up to new highs and then just had a sell-off because of the past chart history. That's probably what it is, but come on, I mean, dropping that much? If you know anything that I don't know, please let me know. But I might be looking at this one for a dead cat bounce. We'll see if it gets above this VWAP here at market open. Other than that, I'm going to be trying to keep it safe today. I might trade a couple times off the high day momentum scanner on some patterns that I'm looking at, but that's it. I mean, I'm trying to protect my account until the market starts heating back up because I'm more of a momentum long bias trader. Oh my god, a brutal drop. Okay, I'm in at 1146. Whew. God hell. Oh, this thing is brutal. I was looking for that pullback to bounce at the VWAP, and it did not want to bounce at the VWAP. That is why you cut quickly. I don't know if I can trade this $10 bounce. It's just an absolute bloodbath right now. I mean, of course, the $10 bounce is a good area to buy. It just looks a little scary. Okay, now there is really solid support at 861. I did map that off. Let me show you guys because that could be an area to get this. On the weekly, see this? Around 850. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bouncing a lot right there. So if it's just going to keep dropping, you know, that's going to be an area to pick it up. CYTX is moving on up. Here's the daily chart on that. We have 107 as the 50-day. That's its next resistance level. It just broke above the 13 EMA. It really does look like NEWA is forming a bear flag. You see the pole, and then this one's trending upward, and then once it hits resistance, that thing's going to drop even more. What I'm going to be looking for on NEWA is when it has that big bear flag drop, we'll look for an 860 entry. Okay, I'm in CYTX 2,000 shares. I don't want it to crack below the VWAP. That's my level of support. Yeah, I'm up a little bit on this one. This is the one I'm looking at. I think this one can U-shape, break 73, get up to 75. Look at all the orders coming up on CYTX. 40,000 shares at 67. We have a lot of orders at 67 cents. 40-some thousand shares. So that's really solid support on this. Of course, if that gets broken down, you know, that's basically my support level at this point. It was kind of like the lesson I went into yesterday as far as the pattern goes on this. That's kind of what I was going into. I'm not sure if I want to sell it right up here. I want this one to set itself up. I'm not going to sell right now because I think this one's got more room in it. So I was thinking about selling right up here because it's going to be resistance obviously right here at 71, 72 cents because that's its high of day. And I could have sold for $120 profit right there. I believe this one's got more room in it though. That was only the second touch. So when stock makes a new high, it comes up and hits it twice, and then usually it's the third time where it breaks. So this one's probably going to come back down maybe towards the VWAP, 65, 66 cents. I think this one does have a lot of potential in it. That's why I'm not selling it right at this point. I could have sold it and then found another entry. You know, that is true. I could have done that. I think this one does have more potential in it. So I could look to add to my entry around this 65 cent area. Look to add a few thousand shares for it to make its next move up. CYTX is dropping back down some. That's okay. I might look to even get more shares right here. I really don't want it to crack this area, guys. Okay, I'm in 4,000 shares. I need this one to bounce right here, though. This one has to bounce right here. It's not getting the buy orders we need. This is where we need the buy orders, right here. Gonna have to sell. I was trying to be smart and cut my loss on my last trade on CYTX just because that huge buyer was getting chipped away. You know, that's what I said, so that's what I did. Obviously, that ended up not being smart. I do like this one a lot, though. You know, it's still green on the day. It's not green by a lot, though. That's got a lot of good eyes on it. Well, you know, we need to break upwards of this upper trend right here, which if we're going by the upper shadows is what, 240. I want to take profits if this does not break. You know what I mean? Just because last time I didn't up at resistance. Okay, I took my profit, but this one looks like it's going to drop, guys. So I just wanted to be smart. If we play this trend line here, that's what it's on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow.